Hey, what's up everyone, the Electro Rose here to demo out my quote-unquote Minecraft ripoff, which has literally nothing in common with Minecraft apart from the fact that it's blocks and building. So, let's go ahead and let's do a demo. So this is it. You can draw stuff, and you can switch colors to dirt, for example, and a red wool. I can also load things in. So right here I can type in, say, MC save. Boom. Sus, that's an Among Us reference, guys. Haha, I'm so funny. And that's about it. This is before the red was introduced. This is before red color was introduced. That's why it's not. That's why the crewmate isn't red. Let's make him red, shall we? So let's convert him to the reddest, because that's like the color from Among Us. It's a pretty suspicious reference, as you can see. And I'll get over how you can. I'll talk about how you can add colors in a minute. This is gonna be a demo of the saving feature. We can also save it. So we can save it as save one MC save. Cool, that's epic, it's saved. And it has 3,000 file lines because this is a 3,000 block structure. So that's pretty cool. We can also say upload in anything, like say eft.mc save. Save that. Let's actually get over how it works. So I need to quickly load in the sus moment because that'd be funny. Save one MC save. Okay. So let's talk about how this works. You can ignore most of this because it's not really necessary. So here we just basically get the window running and stuff. We get a name, we got all the stuff running, initialization. Here's where we create the blocks. We specify how many blocks you want, and then we generate all those blocks by saving all the blocks to a list. And then when the game is running, for each block in that list, we render it on the screen and with the color and stuff. These things, just for the text, these are to change the scrolling of this, just to modify the scrolling, as you can see right here. This is just to change the blocks. This is just for saving and loading, and this is for drawing, which I needed, which I might change that. This is the block class. This is where we keep the block. So where we talk about the block. So this is the types that we have currently: stone, dirt, red wool. These are all the RGB values. And for the block, here's a block. So we initialization with its X value and Y coordinate, which is here its color, for example, because it has random green colors, and then the previous color, which is for the highlighting. So you can see when I hold over a bot, it highlights it automatically. I used the distance formula for that. I'm pretty sure there's actually a built-in library for that, so I didn't actually have to do that, which hindsight's like 15.2, and we just get the value RGB and we change the color to that. This is a saving and loading. What we do is we take each X and Y value of this and its color and we write it to a file. There you go. X, Y, color. That's a one block. X, Y, color. It's another block. This goes on for how many blocks we have, and this file I believe should be about 3,000. I'm not going to scroll the entire thing. Never mind, I did. Here it is, 3,000. And then to read it, we just simply read it backwards, and we just simply create a new list of blocks and just read that data. That's X, Y, color coordinates. We convert that to a tuple, and boom, here we go. We can load sus. We can load files like sus. Technically, you can play music too, but it sounds really bad because I'm running this in Replit. So, yeah. And that's basically the engine itself. That's about it. That's really all there is. Its frame rate's pretty good, actually. It's never a consistent frame rate. I need to frame cap it. I need to lock it. Frame cap it. I don't even know how to do that in Pygame. It also gives you random terrain each time. This is this kind of color. I hit stop. Let's take a look at this corner block. It looks like that right now. Let's change it. Oh my god, it's a different shade. Who would have guessed? It's a different shade. Woo, yeah. And that's about it.